Today we are going to start with a new chapter, perimeter and area. Okay. In this chapter, we are going to learn how to take out the perimeter. Perimeter means the boundary, and the area means the inner part of any object. Here, if I say how much lawn lawn feed do I need, or how much edging do I need to go around the lawn? So that means we are talking about perimeter and area. If we are doing an edging to go around the lawn, that means we have to take out the perimeter for that. And if we are doing feeding the lawn, that means we have to find out the area for that. The perimeter means the total length of its sides. Whether it is a rectangle or it is a lawn or it is anything, we have to find out the total length of its sides. That means perimeter. Here, if you talk about a rectangle, then there are two length and two width or breadth, you can say, of a rectangle. So you have to add all these. That's why the formula becomes 2 length plus breadth, or length plus width plus length plus width means 2 length plus width, or length plus breadth, 2 length plus breadth. Same in case of perimeter of a lawn also. If 5 is given the length and 3 is the breadth given over there, then we have to add 2 length and 2 breadth. That means twice of length plus breadth. So that will be the perimeter of the lawn. If I talk about area, area means the surface of anything. If you're talking about any surface, that means the area. This is a square. 1 meter is given both sides. That means the side is given 1 meter, that is 1 meter square. 1 into 1, side into side, 1 meter square. Because 1 into 1 is 1, meter into meter is meter square. Meter raised to the power 2 is known as meter square. Okay. Centimeter is smaller than meters, so 1 centimeter square. Millimeter is smaller than centimeters, so 1 millimeter square. Whatever the units are given, accordingly, we have to multiply and find out the area. Perimeters are not in squares, only the areas will be in squares. If I take out the area of a rectangular lawn, then 5 and 3 is given. That is 5 3s are 15 meters square. This will be the area. Length into breadth. This will be the area of a rectangular lawn. Okay. So 15 meters square will be the area of a rectangular lawn. If I'll find out the area of a rectangle, suppose here it is given 65 and 32. So I'll multiply because the formula is length into breadth. Same in case of page. Here the lawn is in a landscape way. Here it is in a portrait way. So again, it will be working in the same manner. 30 into 21. That will be 630. Okay. So if it is a L-shaped room, and we have to find out the area. So what we are going to do, we'll start dividing the figures into parts. First rectangle, second rectangle, then we'll find out the rectangle, first rectangle area, second rectangle area, then we are going to add it and we'll get the total area. If it is a L-shaped room, in this way, we'll find out the area. So we have to split those figures into parts. Here. So from this perimeter area, we are going to learn the units, areas, perimeters of the shape. What does perimeter mean and all this. Is it clear with everyone? What do you mean by perimeter and what do you mean by area? Now we are starting with 11.1. The length and the breadth of a rectangular piece of land is given 500 meters and 300 meters. We have to find the area, and cost is given 1 meter square rupees 10,000. 1 meter square की land की cost है rupees 10,000. So first of all, we'll find out the area, then we'll find out the cost. Okay. So for that, length is given Length of the land is given 500 meters and breadth is given 300 meters. Then we'll apply the formula. Area of the piece of land is equal to, what is the formula? Give. Yes, Mukul Jain, you're right. Length into breadth is the formula. Area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Absolutely correct. So area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Multiply length into breadth. How much you are getting? Come on, children. When you are multiplying 500 with 300, how much you will be getting? 15,000. Not 1500, beta. 15,000. 4 zeros will be there. 2 zeros from 500, 2 zeros from 300. Yes. 15,000. 150,000. That's right. Meter square. That will be the area of a rectangle. Now we have to find out the cost. Cost of the land is given. 1 meter square is equal to rupees 10,000. So 15,000, 150,000 meter square will be multiplied with 10,000. You will be getting how much? 15 crore. Rupees 15 crore. Children, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Start punch. Again, unmuted. Vansh, unmute yourself.
Find the area of the square park whose perimeter is 320 meters.
Yes, we have to find out the area of a square park and the perimeter is being given. So what we are going to do, first of all, perimeter is given 320 meters. So we'll write whatever is given in the question. Perimeter of a square park is 320 meters. And formula is perimeter is 4 into side. Formula of a perimeter of a square is 4 into side. So 4 into side will be is equal to 320 meters because perimeter is 320. So 4 into side is equal to 320 it will come. Then we are going to divide it. 320 divided by 4. Because this is multiply, 4 is in multiplication. When we transpose this number, it will come in division. 320 by 4. Yes, 80 meters, that's right answer. So we are getting a side is 80 meters now. That's right, Kavya. Now we'll take out the area because we need an area also in this question, and area formula will be side square. Side into side or side square, area of a square. So 80 square will be 6400 square. 8 8 is 64, 6400 square. 6400 meter square. Meter square. Area always will be in squares. One Sharma, read the next question.
Okay, ma'am. Find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land if its area is 440 meters square and the length is 22 meter. Also find its perimeter.
So length is given.
Yes, ma'am.
Area is given.
The length of the rectangle is 22 meter. Suppose breadth of rectangle is take B, then we divide 440 by 22. The 220 meter comes. So then area of the rectangle is 22 multiply B. So we multiply 22 by 20. So the 42 comes, and then we multiply 2 by 42. The answer is 84 meters.
That's correct. So first of all, we'll take out the breadth. For that, we have to write down the length is given, area is given. So for that, area is equal to length into breadth. So we have divided 440 by 22 because 22 is in multiplication. So what we are going to do, we'll divide 440 by 22. So we will be getting 20 meter as breadth. Now in this question, we need the breadth also as well as the perimeter also. And perimeter formula is 2 length plus breadth. Length we already know, breadth we have got 20 meters. So we'll apply that breadth over here. Add it, add the brackets, multiply the number. You will be getting the perimeter of the rectangle.
Thirty-five cm. Find its breadth. Also find the area.
So what we need here, what is given? In this question, what is given?
Perimeter rectangular sheet is 100 cm.
Yes, perimeter is given, and what else is given here? With perimeter, what is given? Yes, Tanvi.
Ma'am, length is given.
Length is given. So we need a
Ma'am, ma'am, we need to divide perimeter by length.
first of all the perimeter is given 100 cm and the length is given 35 centimeters. Yes.
Yes.
So for
Yes,
that,
ma'am.
the perimeter 2 length plus breadth.
Breadth.
Yes. So perimeter is given 100, 2, length is given 35. We have to find out the breadth. For that, we have divided 100 by 2. 100 is divided by 2.
Yes,
We are
ma'am.
getting 50. And
50
then,
minus 35.
then we'll subtract 35. So we are getting breadth as 15 centimeters.
15 centimeters. Okay, ma'am.
Now, find out the area. Children, length is with you, breadth is with you. Now take out the area after this and give me the answer. What will be the area? That's right, Mukul Jain, Kavya Thakur. Your answers are absolutely correct. Bhavya, Zikra, right answers. Find out the area of a rectangle, length into breadth. Yes, Bhavya, your answer is right. 35 into 15. Multiply it. Yes, Vansh Jain, your answer is correct. 525 centimeters square. Do not forget to put the unit. 525 centimeters square will be the answer. So area of a rectangular sheet is 525 centimeters square. That's right.